What has been finished? We might ask. What has been finished? You see, I just love the way God wrote the Bible and how he wrote existence and how everything came to be. It is a paradox. It is a paradox. It means that one extreme is over here and the extreme is that what is real is on this other extreme. You see, we see that Jesus did not come to abolish the law. He came to fulfill the law, one extreme to the other. We see that Jesus' death gives us life. We see that his agony, his wounds have brought us healing. We see that his punishment has brought us peace. You see, and John is saying this, and he is expressing it so vividly. You see, this man on this cross, Jesus on this cross, is not dying a weak death. He is not dying a weak death. John is painting him as a champion. He is painting him on this road to triumph. He's expressing that God is in control of everything. He is showing that we see it's almost like this composer that just wrote this symphony, and he's directing every single path, and he's showing it is finished, it is done. You see, in Greco-Roman culture, this is what ways that this word could have been used. There are so many examples that I could give you. A merchant who is owed a lot of money, and he's saying the debt is paid. But lastly, I want to share this, and it's like a soldier that goes to war. I don't know if anybody here has been in war. Whenever they vanquish their enemy, this enemy has no power anymore. This enemy has no right anymore. They have been conquered. They have been defeated. And this soldier can look at the war. They can look at the battle and say, it is finished. Tetelestai, it is done. It is done. And I imagine Jesus just being on this cross and just hanging there and looking at this battlefield, looking at this war, and seeing sin defeated on that cross and saying, it is finished. It is done. It is finished. I can imagine him looking at your sin, at your lust, at your drug addiction, at your abuse, at your neglect, at that person that might have raped you, that person that might have afflicted you, and saying, it is finished, it is done, it is vanquished, it is defeated forever and always. It is defeated today, it is defeated tomorrow, it is defeated for all of eternity. That envy, that hate that you have in your heart, that unforgivingness, that lack of self-esteem, that lack of self-worth, that guilt, that shame that you carry, it is defeated on this cross. And Jesus is saying, Tetelestai, it is done. I have paid it all. It's a beautiful picture of this artist who has, he has painted this beautiful masterpiece. And he's taken so much time, all of eternity past to this moment. And he sees it and he takes a step back. All the brushstrokes are there. All the colors that he needs are there. And it is done. It is finished. The work is complete. God paid the price that you and I had to pay. It is done.